Aaron's 17 months and we're going to show off some of his signs. Aaron, can you say more? More. Good job. Turtle? Turtle. Good job. Aaron, what do you want? Milk! Good job, Aaron. Aaron, tell her thank you. Thank you. Good job. More? Did you get more milk? Yummy. Aaron, what do you want? More? More. Good job.
Bye.
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 Bye.